G'day, I'm Steve Hay and I'm here to introduce the Carbatec GR-S200P Slow Speed grinder. It's a 750 watt motor. All it requires is a standard 240 volt single phase 10 amp system, and being low speed means it runs at 1450 RPM as opposed to in excess of 2800 for the high speed grinders. It has fully adjustable and lockable tool rests, safety guards that are adjustable, spark arresters on both wheels. It comes standard with two different grit sizes on the wheels. They're aluminium oxide. One's an 80, one's a 120. They're a standard 200 by 25mm width and a standard shaft size of 5/8 of an inch. And as you look at the grinder, the left-hand side is a left-handed thread. The right-handed side is a right-handed thread. Just bear that in mind if you ever have to change a wheel. That covers the description of the grinder. Now I'll go and get a new one in a box, and you can see for yourself just how easy it is to put together. I'll go on to discuss some operating techniques, some safety tips, and share with you some maintenance ideas you can do to keep your grinder looking new and working well into the future.